Ever dreamt of earning money while sipping a coconut on a tropical beach or exploring a bustling city? Well, it's not just a dream. It's entirely possible to do so before the end of this year. And today, I'm going to show you how. 10 easy ways to make money while traveling the world. Stay with me, because strategy number 8 is an absolute game changer. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where I help you achieve financial freedom through travel. If you're new here, I share tips on budget-friendly travel, making money while you explore the world, and solo travel hacks. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. First up, freelancing. This is a great way to start making money while traveling. You can take on projects as a virtual assistant, graphic designer, writer, or even a web developer. Build a solid portfolio, showcase your skills, and start applying on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. The more applications you send out, the higher your chances of landing clients. You can check my video about freelancing for more details. Online coaching is another great way to make money. Whether it's yoga, fitness, business consulting, or even dog training. Yes, even dog training can be done online. You guide clients toward their goals virtually, and you get paid for it. It's important to get certified in your field to establish credibility. You can find affordable courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera to get a certification. Once certified, you're set to coach from anywhere. Love the idea of selling products but don't want to handle inventory? Enter into dropshipping. Yes, dropshipping is not dead as many say. With this method, you set up an online store, sell products, and a supplier handles the rest. You never have to touch the product, and you can manage everything from your laptop and phone. Platforms like Amazon, Etsy, eBay are great places to look into, or you can even build your own online store with Shopify or Stan Store. Do you have expertise in a particular area or a story to tell? Write an ebook. This could be about your travel adventures, food experiences, or how you lose weight or master your finances. It's a low-cost way to make passive income. Once written, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon, Payhip, or Selfie. The best part? Once your ebook is live, it can generate income over time without additional effort. If writing isn't your thing, maybe creating an online course is. Teach others what you know, whether it's guitar playing, gardening, or digital marketing. Use platforms like Skillshare or Udemy to sell your course. Just like ebooks, the upfront effort is high, but once created, your course can bring in income for years. If you are open to work in the country you visit, consider joining a work exchange program. Websites like Workaway or WWOOF let you travel for free in exchange for a few hours of work. Whether it's working at a hotel or helping on an organic farm, this is a great way to travel on a budget and have unique experiences. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn. Instead of creating your own products, you promote other companies' products and earn a commission. Simply recommend products or services you use during your travels and get a commission when someone purchases through your link. Websites like Amazon and Booking.com offer affiliate programs, so start sharing your favorite gear or accommodation. All you need is an online presence, whether that's a blog, social media account, Pinterest account, or YouTube channel, and insert your referral links. Now here's one of the most profitable ways to make money: creating a YouTube channel. It's my favorite way to make money online. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and more. The key is to pick a profitable niche, whether it's travel, food, or fitness, and create consistent content. Focus on building a loyal audience, and the income will follow. You can even create a faceless YouTube channel like me. But remember, this is a long game, not a quick way to make money. Be patient, but consistent. The payoff is worth it. If you're knowledgeable in a specific subject, whether it's English, math, or even yoga, becoming an online tutor is a flexible way to make money. Websites like VIP Kid, Preply, or Tutor.com allow you to teach from anywhere in the world. Just make sure you have a strong internet connection wherever you go. Finally, consider building a personal brand. Whether you're a travel, food, or fashion influencer, blogger, or Instagrammer, brands will pay you to promote their products. You can even get free travel perks like hotel stays and flights in exchange for content creation. It takes time to grow a following, but once established, you can turn it into a reliable income stream. So there you have it, 10 ways to make money while traveling before the end of this year. If you want me to dive deeper into any of these strategies, let me know in the comments below. Which one sounds the most exciting to you? If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Remember, the journey to financial freedom while traveling starts with just one step. Choose a method, study it, and take action. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.